Hello, are you suffering from hair loss, hair dryness, hair breakage, itching scalp, and excessive shedding? This potent hair growth oil is what you need to solve your hair problems. Watch the video to the end to see how I make this potent hair growth oil, which is very good for your hair and will change your hair for the better. You need this oil for a healthy scalp, healthy hair, and a shining looking hair. In preparing our potent hair growth oil, we'll be needing 1 cup of palm kernel oil, which moisturizes the hair shaft and scalp. We'll also need a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, rosemary, and hibiscus flower. Hibiscus strengthens the hair, rosemary stimulates hair growth, and then cinnamon stimulates the scalp. We will go with a tablespoon of bringgrass, which reduces hair fall and darkens the hair. I'll go with one tablespoon of moringa powder and then 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder as well. Fenugreek combats dandruff, adds shine, and reduces hair shedding and breakage. Moringa, on the other hand, nourishes the scalp and hair. We'll go with 1 tablespoon of black seed powder as well. Black seed powder also suits the scalp. I added 1 tea bag of peppermint tea to the mixture, which helps soothe the scalp. Here I'm using the double boiling method for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'll take it off the heat and let it sit for about 12 hours. For me, I'll use this one to sieve it. You can use anything of your choice. I'm using some old wicca. This is how it's looking. So just sieve it. Mind you, this is after 12 hours. You can make yours sit for more than the 12 hours. This oil is very potent. We now have our oil. I'll be adding a drop of tea tree oil. About 15 drops will be okay. Then I'll add menthol crystals. Menthol crystals. This oil. About this much will be okay. I'll add castor oil. Then I'll add olive oil. This is not an advert video, but this is what I'll be using. You can feel free to use any olive oil of your choice. And you stir it very well. Then you allow the menthol crystals to dissolve in the oil. Then here you have it. I will then pour it into my bottle. There Then here you have it. So nice and beautiful. This oil is very good for your scalp. You can use it for your hot oil treatments, to moisturize your hair. You use it to massage your scalp. For your deep conditioning, you add it to your any conditioner of your choice, and then you use it to deep condition your hair. You can use this oil to moisturize your scalp after spraying with your herbal sprays. Then you use this one to seal in the moisture to your hair tips. It stops breakage, thinning hair. Then if your scalp is itching, and then if your hair is breaking, this oil is very potent for your hair. Try it and let me know how it works for you. Bye.